How car manual and automatic transmission work. The working principle of the transmission system on both manual and automatic systems is quite easy and interesting. The transmission system is explained as the mechanism that transmits the power created by an automobile engine. The transmission plays a significant role in converting the mechanical power of the engine to the drive wheels. These include varying the torque, the direction, and the speed, and allowing the car to start at high torque. The planetary gear set functions by changing the rate of input to output gear speeds through the engagement of one gear with another. The range of available ratios depends on which is engaged. There is a complete hydraulic system or control system that engages the set of planetary gears at a given time. This hydraulic control system is controlled by an electronic control unit. The gear sets are connected to the engine's input by a series of internal clutches, which are controlled by the computer and hydraulic system. It helps the engine determine the gear ratio that will be output through the output shaft to the drive shaft of the wheel. If this video was very informative, go hit the subscribe button right now. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or thoughts, and I'll see you in the next video.